Hello, this is a video on how to check the spokes tension on a Kawasaki KDX220. For the front wheel, so pretty much you start a reference point. You can use this as a reference point or this as a reference point. Take a wrench, any wrench will work, and you just sequentially, systematically check the sound. It should ring like that. So you go, I usually check spokes on this side and then the other ones at the other side. So you can see the sound's pretty similar and rings. This one you can see is a little bit different sound. So this one might needs a little bit of tension, but it still rings. So I'm gonna give that a little bit of tension. This is a quick check. It's better if you go systematically one by one. I showed already a video on that, but in this case, just as a quick check, before you hit the road or before you get out there. So, and you tension this counterclockwise. So still needs a little bit more of tension. Probably quarter of a turn every time. You see the ring coming back. So because all the other ones are already tension, I don't need to go in sequence. All the other ones are already good, so no need to do that. You see the ring came back. So and you keep going. This one needs a little bit of tension again. So there's a couple here that are, a little bit, could get a little bit of tension on them, just to have them, better sound. Come on. Sorry guys, just here with one hand trying to make this work. Anyhow, let's check it out. So I'm gonna tie this up a little bit better. Remember to do this counterclockwise. Some people call it left turn. Anyhow. See, ring is back. And we go to our reference point. So that's it. You do the same for the other side. And there you go.